Hello friends, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to use Netflix Party. This is the feature that allows you to watch Netflix TV shows and movies in sync with friends or family on internet. With Netflix Party, you can live chat with each other and invite as many friends as you should like to watch the same show together. So watch this full video to learn how to use Netflix Party. Now let's get started. First of all, launch the App Store on your iPhone. Next, tap on search and search for RevWatch. Now you will need to install this app. So here is the app. Simply tap on Get to install it. Here you can see that some pictures and videos about this app. Scrolling down below to know more about this app. After complete the download, open the app. Simply just tap on open and here we go. Here you have to give some permissions to access the app. This app wants to open your Twitter. Here's some terms and conditions, read it. Now here tap continue. Or tap on microphone or location and then tap allow to give permission. Here show how to use this app, then go next. Also this app would like to access your contacts. So here your contact is accessible. Now we'll go back, then tap on 3 line at the left top corner. Next here tap Netflix. Now here simply sign in with your ID and password. So simply enter your ID and password, then tap sign in. And here we go. I am logged in with my Netflix account. Now here just tap on any show to view. Here you can see that more episodes and seasons of this show. Simply scrolling down below for more episodes. Now we'll go back and open another show. Here's the open. So here as you can see, open any show. So as you can see, open any show and watch it together. Also you can see more seasons and episodes. So simply help of this app, you can create and use Netflix Party. Once you tap on video to watch it.
Still, I cling to the hope that
Here's
their
the
eldest
video is
brother, can lead
starting.
them down the correct path. A path charged with the power of a family united.
So here you start your Netflix Party.
Or my family.
Now tap on link icon
Our family's
to
legacy
invite
will
your
end in
friends
darkness.
with this Netflix Party. So tap on copy link. Also you can see who should be able to join this. To see who are joined in this video, tap on your icon at the bottom right corner. Now go to any platform to share this link. Here I am open the messages. Now open the chat and share this link to join with your Netflix Party. So that now they will be able to join with your Netflix Party. In last, tap OK to leave this. So that's how you can use Netflix Party. Hope it has helped you, so please like this video.